Stampers, this is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com. Welcome back to my channel. I have a new card for you. It's a masculine birthday card using the Country Club suite of products this time. I'm using the Clubhouse stamp set. We're going to be using this image here, this sentiment, and we're going to be using this sentiment. We're going to have an outline that looks like this made out of silver foil, and that's cut using the matching framelit dies for this set. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need for this card is a piece of Whisper White cardstock that measures 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Going to need a scrap of Whisper White cardstock for stamping. We're going to need a scrap of silver foil that'll fit that little embellishment. You're going to need a piece of the Country Club DSP that's 1.5 by 5.5 inches. And I'm using the blue plaid. And then you need also another piece of the same card. I'm just using the golf ball side for this. It's 5 inches by 3 1/4 inches. And then the card base is made out of Night of Navy cardstock. And it's 5 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches and scored at 4 1/4. All right. So I think we'll get started with our stamping first, just so it has a chance to dry. And for the inside of our card, I'm going to use the bigger piece, and I've already mounted on the sentiment. I'm going to be using Night of Navy ink for this. And we're going to go ahead and see if we can get a good impression here. Line that up with the middle. Give it a good press. It looks pretty good. We'll set that aside. We'll attach that a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and stamp our sentiment. And our little guy here. So for this one's kind of big. I'm just going to turn it upside down and see if we can get him all inked up. I really do love this set. Love it when we get a good masculine set for our cards. Okay, I'm gonna stamp him a little bit to the left on this piece of card, just to have room for the sentiment too. It's kind of small, but we need to cut out that little banner part because we're gonna emboss part of it, but that's pretty good. Not bad for not standing over it. Then we're gonna do the Greatest Guy by Par. And this is the one we're only gonna use the little banner for, so we're hoping that comes out. Okay, looks pretty good. Okay, that's part of our stamping. The other part, we're going to heat emboss. I'm just gonna set this aside because I still need to cut that out. And for the heat embossing, I'm using white powder, and we're gonna do it on this little piece of blue DSP. Just remove the static here. And then we're going to use the same stamp we just used. Just gonna come in here with some Stampin' Mist and give this a little wipe. You don't want all this blue on our ink pad here. So that looks pretty good. That's all clean. And for this we need Versamark. So we're gonna go ahead and ink this up in Versamark. And same thing, off to the right here, we're gonna stamp our sentiment. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and use white embossing powder for this. Just make sure you get some good coverage, and then you can just give it a little flick to get the excess off. That looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and emboss this. I'm gonna use setting 2. Okay. I just have a little bit of work to do on the big shot, so I'm gonna bring that in. Okay, we need to cut our little embellishment out of our foil. We need to cut out our 2 sentiments. Let's see if we can make some room here so we can fit all this. So we have the outer edge of our golfer. We just line that up really nicely using our magnetic platform. If you find it's jumping around on you, you can always use a piece of washi tape. I want to do that on this one for some reason. So we might have to do that, but we'll see if we can find a space where it's not doing that. Alright, doesn't want to cooperate. Got a little bit of washi tape here. The golfer looks pretty good, so we're just going to go with that. Alright, got him cut out. Got a lot of pieces here. So go ahead and start with the inside. So it's easiest just to get that out of the way. So now we're going to put some snail on the inside of the card. So if you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, just click that little subscribe button in the corner. It's on the lower right-hand side of your screen. I would love to have you follow me. Got lots more fun projects coming along here, so. Okay, next one, we're gonna put the golf paper on. I really love this suite. This is so cute. This would be a really fun image to color too if you like coloring. I was just looking for a really quick card to put together. Okay, a big border there. I just love these little golf balls. Are any of you golfers out there? I used to golf a lot with my kids when they were little. We did junior golf when they were really small. It was a lot of fun. So this one's lined up with the edge of the card. I just want to make it sure it's straight. Get that a good press too. And then for this, we're just going to need some little mini dimensionals. Love these little things. Oh wait, let's put this on first. I need glue dots for this. I forgot this goes underneath, so we want to make sure that's we're not seeing that. So I'm just going to stick a couple glue dots on here. And kind of bunch them up underneath this thing. Just going to line this up underneath the sentiment. And then we're going to put our minis on. I got a little ahead of myself there. And 2 of these is, maybe I'll do 3. Just make sure I don't squish the middle. Yeah, pull the backings off. This is going to go right over top of that white piece. Kind of makes it stand out a little more like that. And then we need some larger dimensionals for a golfer. Put a couple big ones on here. Yeah, 3 is probably plenty for him. And this guy, we're just going to line him up on the left-hand side of our card. I hope you like my card. It's a really nice masculine card for golfer's birthday. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know how you liked it. And we'll have more videos coming soon. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.